Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, I am given that 3a plus 5ab plus b is equal to 39, and that a, b are members of the set of integers. I am required to find the value of a and b. So what am I going to do to find the value of a and b since I have two unknown variables and one equation? Equations like this, where we have more than one unknown and one equation, are called Diophantine equations, and we always solve for integer values. So to solve this equation, I am first of all going to factorize 5a out from these first two parts of the equation, or the terms in the left hand side. So I have 5a times 3a divided by 5a plus 5ab divided by 5a, then plus b is equal to 39, where this and this will cancel out, and this and this will cancel out, leaving us with 5a times 3 plus 3 over 5, please, plus b, close brackets, plus b is equal to 39. Now to clear this fraction, I will multiply through by 5. It becomes 5a times 3 over 5 plus b times 5 plus 5b is equal to 39 times 5. Now, when we multiply this and this, the 5's will cancel out. So I have 5a times 3 plus b times 5 is 5b. Then plus 5b is equal to 39 times 5 will give us 195. What am I going to do next? I need to manipulate still the left hand side so that I will have a bracket like this. And for me to do that, I only need to add 3 to both sides. So if I add 3 to both sides, I have 5a times 3 plus 5b in brackets plus 5b plus 3 is equal to 195 plus 3. 195 plus 3 is 198. So I have a bracket here, 5b plus 3. I will factorize 1 out of that bracket, plus 5b plus 3 again, because addition is a commutative operation, times 5a here. So these brackets are the same. I will take 5b plus 3, put these other ones in a bracket, is equal to 198. Now what I need to do is to split 198 into two factors. 198 is an even number. I can't tell if this bracket is even or if this one is even, since when we multiply two even numbers together, we will get an even number. However, when we multiply an odd number by an even number, we will always get an even number. So since I can't tell if this is odd or even, or if this is odd or even, I will only split these 198 into two factors. So I have 198 can be written as 198 times 1. If I divide 198 by 2, I have 99 times 2. Divide this by 3, I'll have 33 times 6. Divide by 3 again, I have 11 times 18. There's also 22 times 9 giving us 198, and also 66 times 3 will give us 198. So these are the factors of 198. I now need to equate each of these brackets to each of the factor of 198. So I'm going to write 5a plus 1 here times 5b plus 3. So in the first case, 5a plus 1 equated to 198. Are we going to get a whole number? I doubt. So 5a plus 1 equals to 198. If I subtract 1 from both sides, it means that a is equal to 197 divided by 5. This is not a whole number. If I try the same thing with this, I will not get a whole number. If I try it with this one, I will not get a whole number. However, if I try it with this one, that is 5a plus 1 is equal to 11, I will get a whole number, because a will now become 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Since I have a whole number here, then I need to find the value of b. And this bracket will now be equated to 18. So 5b plus 3 is equal to 18. That implies that 18 minus 3 is 15 and b is equal to 15 over 3, giving us over 5 rather, giving us 3. So a comma b in this first case is 2 comma 3. We now have our first solution set, 2 comma 3. Let us also try the same thing with others. I stopped here. The next one is this and this. I will not get a whole number. This and this will give me 5a plus 1 is equal to 66. It implies that 66 minus 1 is 65. Then a equals to 65 divided by 5. That will give me 13. Since I have a whole number here, let us find the value of b. I'm going to equate this with 3. That becomes 5b plus 3 is equal to 3. And so it implies that b equals to 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 over 5 will give me 0. So I have another solution set. A comma b is equal to 13 comma 0. Now I want to ask a question. Is 0 a whole number? I would like to read your answer in the comment section. Next is for me to try the other way around. Since I equated the first bracket with the first factors of 198, I'm going to equate the second bracket with the first factors of 198. If I try the first part, 5b plus 3 equates to 198. I'm going to have 5b plus 3 equals to 198. If I subtract 3 from both sides, I'll have 195 here. So b is equal to 195 divided by 5. And so b is equal to 39. And if that's the case, we are also going to look for the value of a. So 5a plus 1 is equal to 1. And so a is equal to 0. We'll have another solution set. A comma b is equal to 0 comma 39. Let us equate 5b plus 3 to 33. That becomes 5b plus 3 is equal to 33. It implies that b will now be 33 minus 3 is 30. 30 divided by 5 will give us 6. And if that's the case, a will give us 1. So another solution set is that a comma b is equal to 1 comma 6. So we have 4 solution sets. The first one is a comma b is equal to 2 comma 3. Then we have 13 comma 0. Then we also have 0 comma 39. And finally 1 comma 6. Thanks for watching. I would like you to leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. There are many other interesting videos I would like you to check out in this channel. Bye for now and see you in another video.